Just tell us about your life in general.
I mean, like, immediately after it was difficult and like a lot of people didn't like me and they were like constantly asking me about what happened and walking around with like not really easy. But slowly like started to go down. I think after today a lot of people will be bothering me again.
And what are you expecting out of this matter?
That's how get us support. Can apologize. The justice will run its course and that she will pay for it was crazy.
And how's your daughter coping?
It was difficult in the beginning, but overall she's doing much better. She's trying to put her life together one step at a time, one day at a time. But she's coming along nicely.
And what do you expect out of this proceedings?
That the court will rule that the immunity doesn't apply, so she can come and have a day in court and say why she did what she did.
Do you really want to see Grace Mugabe behind bars?
I wanted to pay for what she did to my daughter because it was unprovoked. The attack was unprovoked. My daughter didn't do anything wrong to be beaten the way that she was. So I want Grace to pay for what she did. She must have a day in court. If the court decides that jail time is sentenced, so be it.
So you still have a grudge against her because she haven't answered for what she did?
I don't have a grudge against her. It's just that I want justice for her. Like, I don't hate her. I forgave her for what she did to me, but I still feel like justice. Because I feel like I still let them see that what she did to me was wrong. And I wasn't doing